chances are you're about to lose. For free and confidential support, call the number on the screen or visit the website.